Good afternoon, guys. I hope you're okay. Now, I wanted to illustrate how to upgrade to macOS Sonoma, but I realized the previous video did not complete recording. I was trying to illustrate, let me show how to download. Here it is, how to download the macOS Sonoma installer, but I noticed I only recorded the audio part and I did not record the video part, and as you can see already it's downloading. It's around 8 gigabytes, only around 5 gigabytes remaining. So what I wanted to tell you is that I have a video in my channel, let me show it to you, which clearly shows how to get the installer if you cannot find the update via your system settings. Let me go to my videos. I'll link this video, you'll just see it. So there is this video, this one, how to fix unable to find a new update macOS Sonoma. So this is the video you guys should watch. I'll link it to the description. I'll also provide a card up here where you can see, you can check that video out, so that it will help you with the steps this current video missed, because I'll not go into the hassle of doing it again, because that would mean if I'll have to start again, it will mean I'll have to cancel this download, and for me my internet speed is not that okay, so I don't have to wait that long again to cancel the download. So as I've said, the previous video wasn't complete, that is why I saw it fit for me to record this section. The other video, actually the first part, let me call it the first part, was talking about how to get the installer, which as you can see on your screen right now as I speak, it's downloading here. So the purpose of that part 1 was just to show you, but because I already did it in another video, you'll just have to check out that video, because again, apologies, it was not intended. I had recorded, but I realized the recording was only 1 minute 20 seconds. From the 20 seconds, 1 minute 20 seconds to the rest of the video was just purely audio and mouse clicks. I don't know what happened, I actually can't tell, but that is what happened. So please bear with me. But since there is another video, you guys don't need to worry, just check it out, then continue with the downloading process. Once this process will complete, then I'll come to what I wanted to call the part 2, but now I'll call the part 3 because of this section that has just come out of nowhere. So the part 3 in quotes, whereby we shall be installing our upgrade. We shall be installing our macOS Sonoma version 14.3, which is an upgrade to the one we have. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you'll bear with me for that inconvenience. And again, if you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. There is something I wanted to put across before wrapping this up, and that is I have a new blog, that is winlinmarktutorials.blogspot.com. This blogspot has every written content of all the videos in my channel. So if you want to find the written versions of the tutorials that I'm doing, just go to winlinmarktutorials.blogspot.com. Also, I'll be providing instructions on how to install pre-activated software on your Mac or Windows on that blogspot. I'll not be doing that on my YouTube channel because I don't want to infringe any copyright rules on YouTube. So I'll be providing a link in the description whereby I'll be following those videos, and if you want to find a video on how to do that, then you can check out my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description, whereby you'll also have the opportunity to check out the video versions of those tutorials. So just a recap, I have a blog post whereby I'll be posting the pre-activated software, and not only the pre-activated, there is a section for the pre-activated software, and there is also a section for all the written versions of the videos I do. So you guys should check that out. I hope you'll enjoy your day. I'll see you in the part 3, whereby we shall be upgrading to macOS Sonoma version 14.3. Have a good one. Signing out.